in the next 4 minutes. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney. I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks and copyrights. So I ran across something in one of my social media feeds a couple days back, and I thought, hey, this would make a really good case study. So I bring this to you today. What I noticed was, in my feed, there was an advertisement for a free thing. We all know about those free thing advertisements. But the thing that struck me about this one was that it used John Wiley and Sons' famous trademark FOR DUMMIES, and it also used something that looked really similar to their FOR DUMMIES guy. Why don't I put myself into the corner and I'll show you what I mean. And they have a whole series for which there's a registered trademark of books about just about anything. This one happens to be about computer networking, but they also have books about, personal finance and tennis and foreign language and just about anything that a lay person would want to learn about. They have a whole series. It's really famous and it's been around forever. And they have a very distinctive trade dress that goes along with their FOR DUMMIES trademark. What is trade dress? Well, you see the way that this book is presented, and all of their FOR DUMMIES books are presented this way. They all have this yellow background, and I've done other videos on this, so if you want to know more about the FOR DUMMIES trademark, just go to my YouTube channel, search Trademark Doctor on YouTube and FOR DUMMIES, and it'll bring up the other FOR DUMMIES videos that I've done. But all of John Wiley and Sons' FOR DUMMIES books have this bright yellow background and a black banner with white and yellow lettering. So you can see all of this here. Another distinctive part of their trade dress is the FOR DUMMIES guy, and this is a registered trademark as well. This FOR DUMMIES guy with the big eyes and the kind of triangular head and the brushy hair and the stopwatch, he is prominently featured on all of the FOR DUMMIES books. So imagine my surprise when I saw Cisco Systems, this is their thing on the right here, imagine my surprise when I saw this in one of my social media news feeds. This is them offering this book, Secure Access Service Edge Dummies. Now it doesn't say FOR DUMMIES, but this is not going to save them when John Wiley and Sons sends them a cease and desist letter. They're using dummies. They're using the same blue, yellow, and black background, right? Like, see how John Wiley and Sons, they have this yellow background with the black banner, and then they have this blue stripe. It's hard to see the color, but it really is blue. It's not green like it's showing up on the screen. But you can see that Cisco Systems is not only using the same trade dress, now they've altered a little bit, but like I said, I don't think that's going to save them. And they've also used something that looks very much like the FOR DUMMIES guy. It's a guy with kind of an upside down triangle head and brushy hair and big eyes. They've substituted big glasses for the big eyes, but again, this is, I think, a classic example of trade dress infringement and as well trademark infringement. They're infringing the FOR DUMMIES mark, which is registered. They're infringing the dummy guy mark, which is registered. And they're also mimicking the trade dress that goes along with the FOR DUMMIES books. So you don't want to play off of them. You want to stay completely away from them and make up your own stuff, because that's where your brand is built. Your brand is built on your individuality and your original concepts, and not by piggybacking on the back of someone else's trademark. If you have trademark questions about this video or other trademark issues, drop them in the comments below this video and I will answer them in a future live. I love to answer your questions. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm on YouTube. I have a huge video channel there. It's got more than 450 videos on it now about trademark and copyright law. Just go to YouTube and search Trademark Doctor. You'll find me there. You can also find me on Facebook, facebook.com/Trademark Doctor.